Okay, in the last video for today, I'll be just talking about non-probability sampling methods. So last video we had discussed about what are the different types of probability sampling methods, which included simple random sampling, systematic random sampling, stratified random sampling, cluster sampling, area sampling, multi-stage and multi-phase sampling. Next are four methods of non-probability sampling. Here the chance that a person is selected is unequal and known. The first of it is called convenience sampling. This was the example I was giving you. Suppose I want to distribute 10 chocolates to 10 students of a batch of 100. I select them based on my convenience. The convenience here is they come to my department for posting, that time I can give it to them. So if the sampling is based on convenience of the investigator, that kind of a sampling technique is known as convenient sampling. That is, the investigator feels that it is convenient to select these number of samples. It is called as convenience sampling. The second is called as judgment sampling or purposive sampling. That is, my sampling is based on the predicted outcome. That is, if I feel that if I take these number of samples, I can probably get this kind of a result. So if it is based on a predicted outcome of the study as judged by the investigator, it is called as purposive sampling or judgment sampling. The third type of sampling is called as a quota sampling, where the investigator selects based on a predetermined quota. For example, if you have a quota of 15 samples to be completed, the first 15 people I see, I include them irrespective of whether there is a probability or not. So this kind of a sampling is known as a quota sampling, where quota is the criteria for sampling. And the fourth method is called as the snowball sampling or the network sampling. In this technique, suppose I want 100 smokers. I catch hold of 5 smokers and I tell them to go and get their friends. So they go and call their friends in turn go and call their friends. So as the snowball rolls down the hill, as the size increases, similarly by networking, the size increases. So I just need to identify 5 smokers and ask them to get their friends through contact. So this is known as snowball sampling or network sampling, where through networking you try to get the maximum number of samples. So these are the four methods of non-probability sampling: convenience sampling, judgment sampling or purposive sampling. The third is the quota sampling, and fourth is the snowball sampling. So this is the question. This is the topic called sampling, which is a part of your survey procedures. So sampling can be asked as a main question, and your probability sampling methods or non-probability sampling methods can be asked as a short essay or short note. So that is all for today. Next class we'll be discussing about the steps in sampling. Okay, thank you.